Friends, good morning and namaskar. I, Jaswant Singh Kelasia, welcomes you in our YouTube channel Parad Germinates the Democracy. This channel also having an Hindi version named as Parad Loktantra Ka Ankuran. This channel is an official channel of our newly launched political party Parad. We consider that our this political party is the first and the only political party of India. We have prepared a vision document of this party, and nowadays we discussing about the contents of some important chapter of this vision document. Now in this episode we are discussing the contents of chapter 16 of the vision document. The title of this chapter is Some Statements, Stands, Concepts and Analysis of the Parad. This chapter has been divided into 7 parts. This episode belongs to the 7th and the last part of this chapter, as that we have requested in previous episode that our party's vision document is a purely technical in nature and we are not perfect in speaking the English language, so we are directly reading the content of this chapter like this. 56. In India, we see several uncommon, uncomfortable, uneasy situations and problems. Nowadays, in our opinion, these are not surprising for us because in the heart and soul of the Indian ruling class values maxims of king never do wrong is embodies very deeply. 57. What the electoral strategy, procedure, methodology, Parad pronounced it has been termed as vote clubbing, vote adjustment, vote coordination, and vote sharing. It ensures proportional representation and distributive democracy. 58. Unlike other political parties, we have given most importance to the factor representability factor in place of winnability factor while choosing the party's candidate in the election fray. 59. In India, present prevailing electoral system known as first past the post is a very big obstacle in germination and establishment of real democracy in India. 60. India's multi-party parliamentary system of democracy is also a very big obstacle in germination and establishing the real and the distributive democracy. 61. Under electoral system of democracy, public representation, there is a mathematical doctrine 51 is equal to 100 and 49 is equal to 0. But in India, there is a grave violation of this doctrine. In India, 30% to 34% become 100%. 62. According to the political science, in any democracy, there are mandatory factors of representative government and popular government, but in India whatever and or whichever government is formed is not be a representative government nor a popular government. Actually in India it forms only misrepresentative and unpopular government. This is known also as minority government. If we observe and study it very minutely, then really it is a government of ruling class. And as far as the term governance is concerned, actually it is the rule of ruling class. 63. Kindly please note that expression phrases to cast the vote and to express the opinion are very different in their annotation connotation. But Indian ruling class converted and reduced these mental conceptual things into a form of a physical drill as to cast the vote. 64. Parad is not a political party which demands the vote Hence, kindly please do not cast your very valuable vote in favor of the Parad, but Parad very humbly requests to the vote opinion expressors, not vote givers, that kindly please do vote clubbing, vote adjustment, vote coordination, and vote sharing. 65. It is a humble appeal of the Parad to vote opinion expressors, not the vote givers, that please do not give your very precious vote in favor of Parad, but kindly please listen and try to understand our views, opinion, philosophy, and ideology. 66. The study of Parad revealed that population of India is approximately 20 crores. The main program schemes objects of Parad shall be that India's population must be increased at least 80 crores in 5 to 6 years. Point 67. Parad shall be launch programs, schemes, projects to regularize, normalize, rationalize, and proportionalize all the exaggerations and extremities found in India. Dear friends, with this, we end this episode here. At present, we are not requesting you to subscribe, like, or share our this channel, but requesting that kindly view at least 10 to 15 episodes of our channel. Then we believe that definitely you shall be subscribe, like, and share our channel, and shall be ready to associate with Parad with missionary zeal. Thanks for being with us and viewing full episode. Namaskar.